Hello guys, good morning. This is Ayush Rathore, the founder or creator of Concurrence AI. So, what problem are we trying to solve? So, I am a member of this group, which is like AI, mostly related to Gen AI development as a whole, which is run by a company named Tukan. And the founder and the CTO are the admins of this group, right? So, what used to happen is people used to spam some messages which were not related to what the goal of or the motto of this group was. Maybe it was sometimes advertisement, maybe it was sometimes spam related to some surveys, etc. And CTO, obviously being busy with his course and work, he was not able to moderate or delete or manage these messages on time. So actually, or now what he had to do is he had to hire more people, or he had to look for people who wanted to contribute. And even at that point of time, we can see like if the group is big, like it has more than 1,000 members or a lot of members, so it becomes hard because you have people from different time zones which you have to manage at all times. So you have to obviously hire 3 or 4 moderators at once who are from different time zones, one after one. So let's say like if one sleeps, the other one wakes up, but still there is a chance like if they are busy with their own work, which is very understandable, and they forget to moderate, you know, when it is at most required. So it, as a whole, it ruins the community experience for all the users. Obviously there exist traditional bots which are based on regex or custom word filters, but the thing is like they are limited to it. So let's say if only they moderate around hate speech or some particular few words that you have added, and if you have a long list of requests, so the reject filters again will become very bulky, or it will become very long, very hard to maintain, very hard to add new things. So here is where we come in. So we create, what we do is for each particular user, for each particular group or community, based on the request of admin or the owner, that I want my community to be moderated on this type of rules or on these type of messages, and except for these, all other type of messages should be deleted, right? So or should be deleted, the user should be informed, etc. So we help you manage your communities using AI 24/7. Now you need not worry about hiring some moderators for it. So for today's product demo, what I have done is I have created a test group with few of my friends to showcase you how does it work. And what I have done is, so I have just pulled up the logs from my code, which I trained a particular AI model for that group. So here are the set of disallowed messages that are not allowed in that particular group, such as self promotion by companies or its members, except for group owner string. So group owner, this time being, I have put it as myself. Irrelevant tags except for this, sales, marketing, promotion except for this, except for group owner string, or any other rule mentioned under allowed messages. So we have filter around. So allowed messages contain rules such as AI, ML, development, engineering, startups, business, etc. So that it correlates with what the goal or what value the group wants to provide. We have then survey polls, etc. We have Google form links, political, religious, controversial content, hate speech, harassment, bullying, except for little bit of spam words, a little bit of cuss words. So what I wanted to do is like, obviously many a times you run many communities which do not have that proper formal tone of talk that you want, and you want little bit of cuss words to be okay. So yes, we help you manage that as well. And then gibberish, spam, text, repeated messages or emojis at last. So these are the list of rules that I have trained that particular AI bot for that particular group. It's obviously customizable, and you can change, you can add as many rules as you want. It's just one time setup. We set up everything for you. You do not manage anything on your own at your end anytime that you want to. Obviously additions are welcome anytime in between. It's just a thing like you need not set up as a whole. So for traditional bots, if you have used Discord or if you have used Telegram, you have to set it up yourself. But here is where we come in. We help you set up. The only requirement is that the bot should be a moderator or an admin for a particular group. So you can see that concurrence.ai is the admin of this particular group, and I have few of my friends which will be helping me to showcase this product demo. So just give me a few seconds to confirm whether the bot is online or not. So just checking, give me 1 second. Yep, the bot is online. My friends will be sending messages related to Gen AI, which is an allowed category in that particular group. So what we do is based on what you want and what you do not want. We create a data set using Claude, using ChatGPT, using Gemini, related to similar type of messages, related to whatever language you want. So if you're running a multilingual company, multilingual group where there are people from different languages such as Japanese, Indian, sorry, Indian, not Indian, Hindi or English, we help you manage that as well. And on the basis of that data set, we enhance the AI bot particularly for that user so it doesn't collides with other users. So you as a user, you as a group, you have your own community as a whole, right? So now what I will do is, as the communication is going on about Gen AI, I'll be just dropping in a random ad of anything else to just showcase like how the bot works. So like let's say I'll just put hi, this is an ad for shoes. Please like and check it out. Let's see what does it do. It obviously waits for a few seconds to check it out whether it really fits in the category of disallowed messages or not. So we'll wait for a while. As you can see, the communication is still going around Gen AI, and the message has been deleted by the bot. So you can see this message was deleted by admin 9611. Now another thing is you obviously want to enhance. You obviously want to see, how creative that those people can be. And yeah, I understand like sometimes the messages can get deleted. So worry not. Again, taking care of the user experience that we have promised at the start. The bot delivers a message like hello there, uh, I would like to inform that your message has been deleted from AI test group. The reason for deletion is 11 rat. And you obviously get a support email or support phone number. If you think like the message was correct but it was deleted, you can obviously reach out to that particular admin and he will help you out. So you can obviously see we have attached the text as well in this group, and the communication is still going on. The communication is unaffected. So what I will do here is again I'll put a sample message. Now this time this message will be around you know AI itself, but in Hindi, just to show you the multi-language support that we have. So what I will do is like, wow, क्या यहाँ पे AI related बातें हो रही हैं. So this in English translates to wow, like is there a conversation going on based on AI? So we'll just wait for a few seconds again because there's a little bit of cooldown to check whether the bot is deleting it or not. Let's wait for 3 or 4 or 5 seconds. So cool. As you can see, the bot didn't delete that message because I had trained on a particular data set which was correlating with both English and Hindi just to be checking like we have multiple language support or not. So as you can see, the entire communication is on Gen AI. They were talking about Gen AI. I dropped in the random ad. It deleted for me. And since it's not like midnight, so what happens is at midnight, the admin of that particular group, if he wants, he can get an email or he can get a WhatsApp notification like these all messages were deleted at this particular time. So yes, this was the product demo of our first version. We are obviously open to build these bots. We have obviously a bot on Slack currently. We have a bot ready for Telegram. We are in progress for Discord, which will be ready in few days. So yes, if you are running a community, if you want your community to be moderated 24/7, multiple language support, infinite number of rules as you want, as you can see, the number of customization, the amount of customization we have, get in touch. Let's get on a meet, and obviously we can help enhance that user experience that you want for a particular community or group, enhancing the retention of for your company at the end. Thank you. Bye bye.